What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be a quick TA about the coins that I usually trade. Okay, so I'm going to show you several coins, and also I'm going to show you several potential entries. Okay, that doesn't mean that it will happen, so it's just a possibility. Okay, that's how I base my trades on. Okay, so we're going to start with BTC. So clearly on the uptrend. Okay, right now, and we're still on this pattern, this trend line right here. And BTC is still ranging between 29.5 and 31.5, okay? And if BTC drops, BTC might drop all the way to 28.8, okay? If it breaks below 29.5, okay, we might see BTC touching 28.8. I would like to see that because, I would like to set a bot on BTC, okay? But if it doesn't happen, it's all good. And yeah, if it breaks below 28.8, we might see BTC coming over here around 27.7. Okay, and if it continues to go down, we might see BTC at 26K. Okay, in order for that to happen, some really bad news has to come in because, as you can see right here, BTC will have to drop 13%, whereas the drop over here, 28.8 is just 3%, and then 27 is just 7%. Okay, so keep that in mind. BTC. So right now, I wouldn't touch BTC. That's why I haven't touched BTC for a long time because it's consolidating. So it's a dangerous trade from my point of view. Okay, because everybody's different. I like to trade on a 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart. Okay, below that it is too risky, and I don't want to gamble my funds on a very very risky trade. Okay, so next one up we have the ETC, ETH. ETH, okay, so ETH is also on the uptrend, okay, and let's flick it to 4-hour chart. Let's see what's up. BTC is pumping a little bit, so ETH is pumping a little bit, and a good entry price for ETH again would be 1875 or a little bit below, okay, but usually ETH touches on 1875 and bounces back up, okay, so if breaks below that we might, and if ETH breaks below it and continues to go down, we might see the ETH coming around 17.5, 17.6. And if it continues to drop, we might see ETH around here 16.60. Okay. But hopefully not. Hopefully it won't be the case because that would be a big drop, like 11%, right? But it all depends on BTC because usually if BTC drops, everything else will drop as well. But as far as I can see, if it's okay, right? So I wouldn't try to trade ETH, but if you are looking to catch ETH, look around 1875 for the ETH. BTC, I would say 28.8 for the entry price. Okay, next one up, we have the ARB token. Okay, the ARB entry price, I would say 125, where it is right now. Okay, yeah, entry price like right here, 125. As you can see right here, since the pump from XRP, ARB token comes over here to 125, bounce back up, 125, bounce back up, 125, bounces back up. Okay, so seems like it found a really support right here. Okay, so I still got this bot right here. It's been running for 20 days. Okay, so I've caught it around 112, and I've been riding since then. Okay, I'm only gonna shut it down once ARB token goes above 136. Once that happens, I will cancel that bot and set another bot over here at 125. Okay. But yeah, if you are looking to trade ARB token, be looking around 125 for the entry price. Okay. Next one up, we have the XRP. So XRP is trading around 0.79. Okay, since that pump, XRP is trading around 0.80 and 0.70. Okay, so seems like XRP is also pumping, which is good. So I deploy my bot over here. Okay, after the pump, I was like, okay, after the pump, we'll pull back to this support line and bounce back up, but it did not. It went all the way here. I could have deployed a bot over here on this support line. Okay, but it's all good. The bot is doing well, it's doing what it's supposed to do, so all is good. So I would like to catch XRP around this level right here, 0.71. Okay, and then once bounce back up, I would cancel this old bot. But time will tell if that happens. Okay. Next one up, we have BNB. So BNB has been very weak lately, and if you are looking to trade BNB, I would be looking around 234 because anything else I wouldn't touch BNB. That's just my opinion. Next one up, we got ADA. ADA again, this support line. ADA touch the support line and bounce back up. That would be a good catch. You would be up 1% right now. Okay, as you can see right here, ADA is being trading around this support line. So if you are looking to trade ADA, look around 0.31. Next one up, we have the Matic. Let's have a look at Matic. So Matic, I wouldn't touch Matic because it's in between the trades. So like I said to you, I either trade on this support level or on this resistance level. Seems like Matic is coming to this support resistance level. So if that's the case, this would be a good opportunity to deploy a neutral grid bot. Because if Matic pumps up, and then comes back down, the bot will chop on the way up, will chop on the way down. So you make profits on the way up and profits on the way down. As long as Matic stays around this price 0.79, 0.80, okay? That would be a good opportunity for Matic. And the entry price, I will set it up for I would say 0.79. Yeah, 0.79. Next one up, we have Solana, okay? Solana, again, it's in between, so I wouldn't touch Solana right now. Next one up, we have TRX. TRX also, I wouldn't touch it because seems like, well, actually, I would set up a bot over here to trade TRX. I would set up a neutral bot. Why neutral bot instead of short? Because neutral, if it goes down, yes, it will make profits. It will go down, but at the same time, if it goes up, the bot will make the money on the way up. Okay. Whereas what do you call it? Short. If you go short, yeah, you might go short, but then if it pumps back up, you will lose that trade because you will get stopped out or liquidated. Okay, so I'd rather deploy a neutral instead of a short because also the trend is up, as you can see right here. Okay, so I wouldn't go short. Next one up, we have LTC. I also have a bot on LTC. Okay, so LTC, whoa, it's pumping 0.94. Woo, must be in good range right now. Not 0.94, $94. And LTC looks good. Looks like it's on the uptrend as well, as you can see right here, and seems like it's respecting this trend still. Okay, so it seems like it's pumping back up. I would like to see LTC coming over here to this 120 line. That would be beautiful. Okay, but time will tell. Some people say it won't happen. Other people say it might happen. Time will tell. Okay, but so far LTC is doing good. And if you like looking to trade LTC, look around uh, $91 entry price. Okay. Next one up is AVAX. AVAX again. I would leave AVAX alone because it's in between zones, resistance and support. So I wouldn't touch AVAX. We got Link next. So let's see what's up with Link. So Link is also on the uptrend and seems like it's going towards this 8.58. Okay. And if that's the case, I would set a neutral bot around here, 858. Okay. And then let the bot do its thing. Okay. Next one up, we have Dodge. Dodge is doing good. I just regret not deploying the bot around here, 0.64, because I did mention on the TG group, whoever wants to catch Dodge, that would be a good entry right here because Dodge was coming down, right? I didn't deploy the bots because I didn't have the funds, but I did deploy the bot around here, okay? And now we are up, okay? Seems like Dodge, it's going full speed ahead and also is going up trend. So that's good as long as the bot stays the price stays within this price range, we are good. We are making money. Okay. Passive income, that's all it's all about. So next one up, we got XLM. Okay, XLM is pulling back a little bit. And there we go. We got a support line right here. So let's see what's happening. Okay, it's pumping back up. So as you can see right here, it touched over here would be a good entry price, 0.15 800 or even a bit below 0.15 700. Okay, because now it's pumping back up. Let's see how it's going to perform. Again, because it got rejected twice, it might will try for the third time. If it gets rejected, it will be a good opportunity to come for neutral. Okay, keep an eye on XLM because every time XRP pumps, XLM pumps as well. Okay, let's have a look at OP and let's see what's up with OP. Again, we missed that shot right here. OP just touched the support level and seems like it's bouncing back up at 1.50. Okay, and let's zoom out a little bit. So after the huge dump, seems like OP is finally recovering. Okay, so I would set up a bot right here if I have a few funds available, but now I missed that trade because um, OP is already at 153 and the entry price would be at 150. So if you are looking to trade OP, look out for 150 entry price. Okay. Next one up, we have dots. Okay, so I deployed the dots. I terminated the dots too soon because if you watch my previous video, I said, okay, I'm going to deploy a neutral bot because the bots either is going to go up and come back down or it's going to go down and come back up. You can watch my video. I really literally said it. And yes, it did happen. The thing is, with this bot, I've added a little bit extra leverage. Okay, so I add a little bit extra leverage. So my liquidation price was around 0.50. I was around here 0.50. Even though I was far away, with this kind of market, we never know. So just a bad news, and the price can dump, and I get liquidated. And because you set up a bot, and the price range was between 0.4, 0.42, and what was it 6.9. Okay, I couldn't set a stop loss inside the grid range. Okay, so I could only set a stop loss outside the grid range. Okay, that's why I was like, dot is not showing any signs of recovery, so I might have to cancel it because if a bad news comes around, I will get liquidated. So instead of getting liquidated, I decided to terminate it. But the following day, guess what? DOT just pumped. Okay, so these would be a good, nice profit. Okay, but it is what it is. So if you are looking to trade DOT right now, so DOT is right here again. I would set up a new neutral grid bot with this configuration right here, or probably a little bit less, well, less leverage. Okay, so 10x leverage. There you go. Dot is right there where it's supposed to be. So this is a good entry price right now. Okay. Next one up, we have Phantom. Phantom is dying, so I wouldn't touch Phantom. Okay, so Phantom is just on downhill. Okay, so I wouldn't touch Phantom. And we got Comp. Let's see what's up with Comp. Comp seems to be on the uptrend as well. Okay, so it broke this trend over here. So if you are looking to trade Comp, if Comp pumps back up, okay, look around here at 75 bucks. And then again, I would go for the neutral bot instead of short bots. Okay, that's just my opinion because I deploy bots for a long run, not just for a quick flip. Okay, next one up, we have Sui. Okay, I have a bot on Sui, and last time I checked this morning, it wasn't doing so well because as you can see right here, I deployed the bot right here, and it was just going down, 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 and now it's finally pumping back up. So probably made some gains over here. Okay, but that's the whole purpose of the bot, right? Because sometimes the bots will go below the entry price, but still making trades because it's within the grid range. Okay, so Sui is here, seems like it's going back up to 0.68, 0.69. Okay, so that's good to see. Okay, all good. And lastly, or not lastly, we got XMR. Okay, again, XMR just like dots. Okay, I decided to deploy a neutral bot. What's going on here? Yes, I decided to deploy a neutral bot, and the entry price was over here because I didn't believe that XMR would continue to pump. Okay, that's why I didn't go long, and instead I've decided to go short because in the short term we might see a pullback, but in the long run it will pump back up. Okay, so that's why I decided to deploy neutral bots. And right now, um, XMR is not pumping, just like the other ones. But as long as it comes around here and pumps back up, we are good. Okay. And next one up and last one, we got Gala. Okay. So Gala, I wouldn't touch Gala because it's on a downtrend. Okay. So we gotta wait and see the reversal before we start touching Gala because Gala probably the dump hasn't finished. If he hasn't finished, we might see Gala coming over here to um, 0.0154. Okay, if that's the case, over here should be a good opportunity to go long with Gala. Okay, guys, so those are the main coins that I would trade right now. And, the only coin that I can see right now good for trading is DOT. Anything else, is too late because that train already departed. Okay, so if there is any other coin that you like me to do some TA and look for a few entries, let me know in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Peace.